meat, yeah. If we want to eat some food now. Outdoor cooking, guys. Some saltfish with some onion and some coconut oil. Yeah, that's how we do the thing. That's how the thing set. Who wants some of this? Outside, it tastes sweet, you see? Look on the fire. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, sir. That's how we do it. Foreign cooking outdoor. Yes, peeps. The potter do it thing, you know. See there? Outdoor style. Backyard grilling. No joke. Yes, sir. Cooking like you're in Jamaica. But they're foreign. One little warm day, and I decided to come home and just giving us some good content. Outdoor setup. See there? Boom. Roast breadfruit I get ready to go on after me take off the one pot. You know what I mean? Outdoor thing. Yes, I. Remember, like, share, subscribe, yeah? Give you more good content like this. All right. Guys, this thing smells nice. Take a look. All right, let's wait on the breadfruit time. Breadfruit time. Get that oil nice and hot, and then get ready to dunk these breadfruit, and dinner will be ready. So for some extra seasoning, I dropped 2 pieces of garlic in there, and we're in with the pepper. Yeah. Thing nice, y'all. Thing nice. Here we go now. Glorious time. Yes, I. Thing looking good. Yes, sir. Sizzle, sizzle. Let's get that golden brown and we be in business. Looking nice, looking nice. Who wants some? Oh, Tador cooking, guys. Jamaican something. Brook bop. All of them turn over now. Yes, dinner so ready. Who is coming? Who is coming over for some roasted, fried over breadfruit and some cook up saltfish? Yeah. You ready, you know? 5 minutes, we're done. Man, that smell. Oh my God, it smells so nice. I love coconut. I love cooking with coconut milk. It just makes everything so much richer. And I always say coconut milk, I mean coconut oil. Yeah. All right, guys. Old Tador style. Watch this.
That's a big up Fred Irish.
Dinner is ready, guys. Breadfruit and fried up saltfish. Here we go.